We're going to unbox my laptop.
So here's the package, guys. Fingerprint. Knowing that this is from Manila. Or I don't know, basta Luzon part ng world.
Hey guys, it's your girl Nicolle with 2Ls and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video is going to be an unboxing and also a review of my new laptop. So yeah, actually I already filmed my unboxing video sa laptop ko 2 months ago. So yeah, without further ado, let's straight on to the video.
So here's the package, guys. Pinadala siya through LBC and it was shipped last Monday and today is Saturday. So madali lang siya knowing that this is from Manila. Or I don't know, basta sa Luzon part ng world. But yeah, anyways, let's unbox. Charger. So yeah, it has something, some booklet, I don't know. And then, sticker. And also may kasama siyang stylus pen sa laptop because the laptop is a flip book and also it is touch screen. Tada! So this is the laptop. And I really like it kasi small lang siya and hindi siya mabigat. Yung laptop ko na all this mabigat. And it's very big. So yeah. Super. Before when I bring it at school, palaging sumasakit yung likod ko kasi ang bigat talaga ng ilalagay ko na lang sa screen yung mga technical tunelin sa laptop nito kasi I don't have any idea. So yeah. Tada!
Fingerprint!
Fingerprint?
Fingerprint nga!
Nagno me do. Sorry.
Everyone is watching, but I still feel so alone. And I've been waiting on a miracle, but by the time it comes, I'll probably be stoned or on my phone.
So yes, I'm so sorry if I seem gross and sweaty because we just went out at walk up the dogs a little bit. But yeah, before that, here's a few clips of some ASMR. So yeah, kanina we already somehow set up the laptop, like the security system. We downloaded Chrome, Microsoft 365, and etc. with the help of my brother because I really don't have a lot of idea about setting up a laptop. I mean, I know how to download and all, but I don't know how to set it up because it's my first time having my own new laptop. And by the way, this is my old laptop. She's pretty old na. So, yeah. My old laptop is a Dell laptop. It was given to me by my ninang. So, yeah. And also, that's why nagpabili ako ng new laptop because this laptop is already full sa memory. But anyways, I still can't give you my review because kakarating niya lang. I still didn't use it quite a lot. So, I'm going to get back to you guys in a few weeks. And by that time, I will update you now with the laptop.
Several months later.
As you heard kanina, it's already 2 months since I filmed that video. So, ngayon na ako naka-film ng like official review for my new laptop, which is the ASUS VivoBook, by the way. Because I really want to, test it in real life so that I could give my honest opinion about it. So far, so good. There are a lot of good things about this laptop, especially first and foremost, it's very light. It's only 1.5 kilograms, guys. So, I could just bring this on the way like this, or I don't know, put it in a bag. And yeah, nadala ko na ito noong when I hang out with my friends where we had a study date and lunch date in which I filmed, by the way. So click the I button if ever hindi nyo pa nakita. But yeah, and also the main reason why I chose this laptop is because my 360 rotation siya, in which is so helpful because kung hindi niya alam, I'm actually an RK student sa UP, and there are times that we need to trace, or tracing really helps if nagmamadali ka or whatsoever. So, I trace using this laptop. I know I have a glass na drafting table, but tracing in your laptop is very easy. Kasi, igaganito ko lang siya. Like that. And then, nilalagay ko siya sa desk ko. And then, stinistick ko lang yung paper ko sa laptop. And then, yan lang, mag-trace lang ko. It's so easy. Like, it's very, very helpful sa paggawa ko ng plates whenever I need to trace or whatsoever. Napapadali niya talaga yung work ko. Lalo't lalo na sober yung workload ko sa plates and like, yeah. And also, pwede din siya magiging tablet. Look. It has a auto rotation, or yeah. So if ever igaganito siya, it will immediately become a tablet. But it's really big, so I don't use this as much sa tablet. But it will ask you if you would like it to be in a tablet mode or not. But most of the time, I don't use it as a tablet. Nare-rotate ko lang siya, and yeah, very helpful. And also, as what you saw sa ASMR thingy ko kanina, it comes with a pen, with a stylus pen. So touch screen siya, guys, which I also love so much. So sometimes it helps me when it comes to fill upping forms. Example, you need to fill up a form for agreement or whatsoever, and then allow sa inyo na to answer it digitally. So most of the time I just use my pen to like fill it out, and I just downloaded an app which is a PDF app na it allows you to write on PDF. So yeah, with that app, ginagamit ko lang yung pen ko to like sign it, answer the form or whatsoever. So I don't need to waste more paper and whatsoever. So yeah, it's really helpful, not gonna lie. And also it's brand new, so the functions really fast. Anyways, I don't know, so far so good. I've been loving it. And also when it comes to editing, since new yung laptop ko, hindi pa masyadong lag. I can edit constantly, like with no like sagabal or whatsoever, because dun sa previous laptop ko, ang grabe na ng lag. Like, I really had a hard time editing. It took me hours to edit na because of the situation sa laptop kasi, puno na yung laptop, yung old laptop ko. And the perks of having a new laptop is that it's still so fast and like so easy to work in. So yeah, it's really good. I'm so happy with this laptop. It's a very happy purchase, and yeah. I don't know what to add more. I'm really not a tech person or something, but so far so good. So if you also want to purchase it, I'll just link everything down below. But I'm not sure if available pa ba siya or whatsoever, but I'll still link their page below because satisfied with their service and I'm pretty contented naman. So yeah, anyways, if you want, you can follow me in my social media accounts. I'll put it in the screen or you link them in the description box below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates and more videos. And see you in my next video. Bye!